As we honor the true spirit of sportsmanship, please join me as we recite the oath of sportsmanship. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name, a participant of Shonu Sports Volleyball Training Camp, second quarter tournament. Do hereby solemnly swear and agree to abide, adhere and uphold all conditions, agreements, rules, regulations, and provisions which has been set forth by the organizers of this tournament. As a competitor of this game, I hereby swear and agree to play the game in the highest forms and standard of discipline and sportsmanship, no matter if I win or lose. What counts most is how I conduct myself and play my game in the spirit of belongingness. Peace and community enjoyment with my teammates and other participants from other batch. I now therefore declare to preserve the tenets and precept of a true sportsman in thought, in word, and in deed. So help me God.
Thank you, Javier.